I don't even like the word poor. I prefer pre-rich. Because that's what you are, not broke, not stuck, just pre-rich. And if anyone told you that talking about money isn't feminine, they lied. Because there's nothing more feminine than being protected and secure. So today, I'm sharing 10 money rules I wish someone had tattooed on my brain in my 20s. I've got the degrees, I've worked the jobs, I've read all the books, and now I'm giving you the blueprint. 1. Compound interest, the wealth you sleep through. If you don't understand compound interest, you'll either become a millionaire or someone else will using your money. It's not magic, it's math. When you invest early, your money earns interest. Then that interest earns more interest. It snowballs quietly while you sleep, work, scroll, or dream. But the opposite is also true. Credit cards charge you compound interest, and that's how millions stay stuck in financial quicksand. Understand it or be a victim of it. Simple as that. 2. Pay yourself first, like you're the IRS. The version of you 5 years from now, she's a bill collector, and she's not accepting excuses. Before you pay for brunch, browse, or a last-minute Bali trip, you need to pay her first. Saving and investing isn't optional, it's essential. Treat your future self like she's rent, like she's due on the first, because one day, she's the only one who's going to save you. 3. Budgeting isn't broke girl behavior. Let's get this straight. Budgeting isn't for poor people, it's for powerful people. Big corporations call it fiscal strategy. You should too. A budget isn't punishment, it's clarity. It shows you where your money is sneaking off to. It replaces guilt with control. And the truth is, once you know your habits, you can change your outcomes. 4. Emergency fund equals peace out fund. I don't call it rainy day savings. I call it my peace out fund. Toxic job? Peace out. Unbearable relationship? Peace out. Landlord trippin'? You get the idea. This fund isn't just for emergencies. It's for options. Start with 3-6 months of expenses. If you're self-employed, push it to 9 or 12. You never know what life throws, but you can make sure you're ready to throw it back. 5. Solve big problems. Get big checks. It's simple. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the check you cash. People ask, why do athletes make so much? Because millions watch them. If you can impact more people or solve high-stakes problems, your value skyrockets. Start thinking in scale, not salary. 6. You are a business, act like it. You've got income, expenses, liabilities, and goals. Congrats! You're officially a business, so protect your assets, especially when it comes to love. A prenup isn't anti-romance. It's pro-intelligence. Marriage is a legal contract. Would you sign a business deal with no terms? Protect your peace while you still love each other, because if it goes south, the court's gonna write your ending for you. 7. Date within your bracket or build your own. You can be friends with anyone, but love? That's different. Dating within your financial bracket doesn't mean playing small. It means playing smart. When both of you earn around the same, there's balance. There's no silent resentment, no hidden power play, just peace. And if you're thinking, girl, I want to marry rich, do it. But get rich first, so nobody ever confuses love with leverage. 8. Cash is king. Credit is power. Cash feels good. Credit opens doors. Rich people use debt to build empires. Broke people avoid it and stay stuck. That's the difference between debt and leverage. A mortgage builds equity. A business loan fuels growth. A line of credit can flip into a second stream of income. Bad credit will cost you, even if you've got stacks of cash. So protect your score like it's a passport, because it is. 9. Diversify or die trying. If your income has one stream, you're one crisis away from collapse. Multiple income streams equals stability. Same with investments. Don't bet it all on stocks, or real estate, or crypto. Build a table with multiple legs. Job, side hustle, investments, insurance, will, trust. We can't predict the future, but we can prepare for it, and that preparation feels like peace. 10. Negotiate everything. Closed mouths don't get fed. You're not too nice to negotiate. Whether it's a raise, a client, or a contract, speak up. Practice it. Read about it. My favorite? The Art of Negotiation. Because once you learn how to ask for what you're worth, the world starts handing it to you. The real flex is freedom. Financial independence isn't just about money. It's about power. Power to walk away, to choose peace, to be unbothered. And that is the most feminine thing you can do. Not waiting to be saved, but building your own safety. So now, I want to hear from you. What's your #1 money rule that every woman should know? Drop it in the comments, and if you want a part 2, just say the word. Love you to the moon and back. Stay bold. Stay rich.